Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me and Dioff. I'm doing an updated eyebrow tutorial for you guys. These are all the products that I use. I'm going to show you guys how to get your brows to look like this. So it's really easy. I use my beauty supply store pencil. It's a dark brown pencil. It comes off as black, but it's dark brown. And I also use LA Girl Pro. I either use the shade Dark Cocoa or Beautiful Bronze. Right here I'm using Beautiful Bronze, but on the regular I use Dark Cocoa. I don't know, I woke up this morning and I just felt like brainstorming. You know how I do. Yeah, I just woke up like, hold on, let me use Beautiful Bronze today. So yeah, forget about the voiceover. Just look at the video. Like, it's super easy. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, this video is 1 minute and 25 seconds. Like, it's 2.5. So I did this mad fast. Like, this is the end of this video. I'm weak. Like, I don't know how to do this voiceover because this video was so quick and easy. I'm going to list the products below in the description box. If you guys have any questions, just comment down below. But boom, here's my updated eyebrow tutorial. I really hope I helped a lot of people by watching this video. If I didn't, then I don't know. Bye, guys.